I haven't ticked anybody off lately. Where are my manners? So let's talk about CEOs and IT value, but I'm going to use actually an example from elections and security. Boy, won't that be fun. And specifically, we're going to talk about games. Now, this is from CISA, Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. It's a federal agency that is yet another one that is there to help protect us against today's threats and create and build better infrastructure from a security standpoint. Now, what they've done recently, and actually it's kind of cool, is released a resource for state, local, and private sector folks who were involved in elections, but it's a game. And it's called the Election Cyber Tabletop in a Box, which really rocks as far as a game. No, it doesn't, as far as the game title goes. It's also known as, so this will probably be better, the Election Cyber Tabletop Exercise Package. Yeah, whatever. It is a resource, however, that might be of interest to even organizations that aren't part of the election process, because what it does is it creates an environment where players, participants, can sit down and review potential threats to election infrastructure or your organization's infrastructure. So what they do is they create these scenarios, and in this particular case, they've got vote by mail scenario, early voting scenario, election day scenario, and they create these. Then what does the bad guy do as far as what threat actors are doing to interfere? And then you can discuss amongst your group what your group is going to do as to both prepare for it and react to it. And the nice thing is it's a game. So you can sit down and discuss what you're going to try to do, what goes right, what goes wrong, and some pretty decent resources are involved here. And again, as far as I can tell, it's free and it's available. And like I said, it actually might work for your organization, conceptually anyway. So anyway, the link is in the comments below. And take a look at it, and I'd love to hear your feedback on it. But for the love of Pete, don't tell me who you voted for or how many times. Give me your comments below on activities and actions such as this. I love tabletop exercise. I like games too. What's your thought? Tell me.